We always have customers that ask, what can we do for them? Maybe you have a really busy lifestyle, or maybe you're not able to move your furniture out of your home to have your flooring replaced. We see those scenarios all the time. So Tanner, can you go over what we can and can't do for customers to make these jobs a little bit easier on them?
Yeah, so we can do as little or as much as you like. And what I mean by that, some homeowners prefer to move their own furniture, or some homeowners prefer to paint their own trim. And that's perfectly fine. So ways we can help make your life a little bit easier. Obviously, we can take care of your flooring, but after your flooring is complete, the house still has to be trimmed out. So we can run all the trim, all the new quarter round, shoe molding, whatever it is that you want. And depending on what all we did at your house, sometimes it creates a huge mess, and that mess has to be cleaned up. The homeowners sometimes choose to do that, or I can send in a cleaning company to come in immediately after we're finished. We can take care of your furniture, moving it out, moving it in. We can take care of arranging and delivering a mobile attic container to be on the property to house all that furniture that needs to be moved to do this particular job. So we can do as little or as much as you want, depending on your budget, depending on time, all that good stuff.
We even had customers who have decided to go through the job, everything they need and want, pack up, head out of town on vacation for a week. When they left, their house was the way they remembered it, and when they came back, it was put right back together, just with brand new flooring installed. So, as much or as little, totally up to the customer. We're just here to make whatever you need a little bit less stressful.